Everyone thinks the best-selling car lift is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, Albot 8000 LBS Portable Car Lift. First up is the Albot 8000 LBS Portable Car Lift. This beast caught my eye with its heavy-duty Q355B steel construction and a price tag of $1,519.99. If you want a reliable lift that can handle serious weight, this is worth a serious look. This is crucial for those who want to do maintenance or repairs at home without worrying about safety. With a maximum lifting height of 27.4 inches, it gives you ample clearance for undercarriage inspections. What's cool is its fast lifting cycle of just 25-30 seconds, making it efficient when you need to get the job done quickly. Now, some people complained about its weight, clocking in at 375 pounds. Here's the thing though, while it's heavy, that sturdiness actually contributes to its stability. If you have a spacious garage and don't mind some muscle to set it up, this lift is a solid investment. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast who works on heavier vehicles. Skip this one if you have limited space or need something super lightweight. For the price, you're getting exceptional quality and performance. Now, if the weight of the Albot 8000 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Albot 5000 LBS Portable Car Lift. Next up is the Albot 5000 LBS Portable Car Lift, priced at $1,099.99. It's similar to the 8000 LBS lift, but slightly more manageable in size and weight. If you want a solid lift without the bulk, this is definitely worth checking out. This lift can handle 5,000 pounds, which means it's great for most sedans and light SUVs. Here's why this matters for you. Its heavy-duty Q355B steel structure ensures durability, so you won't have to worry about it bending or breaking during use. It lifts up to 20.1 inches, providing enough height for basic maintenance tasks. Plus, it operates in about 30 seconds, so you can quickly get under your vehicle. However, some users mentioned it's not quite as stable as they expected. But honestly, if you're careful and use it as intended on a flat surface, it performs well for home use. It's designed for ease of movement with its foldable design and wheels, making it perfect for smaller garages. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable lift for regular car maintenance at home. Skip this one if you frequently work on larger vehicles or need a higher weight capacity. For the price, it's a great balance between quality and usability. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something different. Product number 3, Hoist Hydraulic Car Ramps. Coming in at number 3 are the Hoist Hydraulic Car Ramps, priced at $169.99. These ramps caught my attention for their versatility and ease of use. If you want something portable for quick oil changes, this is worth a look. These ramps can lift up to 11,060 pounds, which is impressive for a pair of ramps. The adjustable height from 9.84 to 14.96 inches means you can customize your lift to fit various vehicles. This is perfect for DIYers who want to do some under-vehicle work without the hassle of a full lift. Plus, they're made from heavy-duty steel, so you know they're built to last. One downside is they're not foldable, which might make storage a bit tricky in tight spaces. But here's the thing, if you have a designated area in your garage, their strength and ease of use more than make up for it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a convenient solution for regular maintenance without investing in a full lift. Skip this one if you have limited storage space or need something that's easy to tuck away. For the price, they offer a great performance-to-cost ratio. Now, if the lack of portability of the Hoist ramps concerns you, the next product might just fit your needs. Product number 4, LOCKITTA Hydraulic Car Ramps. Next, we have the LOCKITTA Hydraulic Car Ramps, priced at $181.99. What sets these apart is their added wheels for easy maneuvering. If you want a ramp that's both sturdy and mobile, this is worth your consideration. The anti-slip triangles and safety interlocks ensure that once you're up, you're secure. This is essential for any DIY enthusiast who values safety while working. However, some users felt they may not be as robust as some heavier lifts. But honestly, if you're using them correctly and on a flat surface, they perform quite well. Plus, the added wheels make them super convenient to store and move around your garage. This is perfect for you if you need a portable ramp that doesn't skimp on performance. Skip this one if you're working on very heavy-duty vehicles. For what you get, they're a solid investment for home mechanics. Alright, that was a strong contender. But let's wrap it up with a product that offers a unique lift experience. Product number 5, VEVOR Portable Car Lift. Lastly, we have the VEVOR Portable Car Lift, priced at $795.90. What's appealing about this lift is its manual operation, which can be a game changer if you're not always near power sources. If you want a reliable lift that works anywhere, this is worth checking out. This lift can handle 4,400 pounds, suitable for sedans, SUVs, and mini trucks. With a lifting range from 5.9 to 23 inches and adjustable width, it covers a lot of ground. For someone who does a range of repairs, having the ability to change the lift height and width is super beneficial. The non-slip support pads help protect your vehicle while in use, which is a nice touch. However, some folks pointed out that the manual operation could be limiting if you're used to electric lifts. But the trade-off is that it's portable and doesn't require a power source, making it very flexible for garage setups. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly lift that doesn't require electricity. Skip this one if you need something that can lift heavier vehicles or prefer electric operation. For its price, it's a great option for those who want simplicity in their lifting solution. So to recap, we've looked at the Albot 8000 LBS for heavy-duty lifting, the Albot 5000 LBS for a balance of power and portability, the Hoist ramps for a budget-friendly solution, the LOCKITTA ramps for mobile convenience, and the VEVOR lift for manual operation. Each has its unique strengths, so it really depends on what you need for your garage. Thanks for tuning in and happy lifting.